Whether building an engine harness or doing a wire repair on your car, this short video will demonstrate the correct method in joining two wires. Always start with the right materials for the job. For this example, I'm using 22 gauge wire, typically used for sensors. Decent tools to cut, strip, and crimp make this job very easy. Always start with freshly exposed wires. About 5 mm is adequate. The next step is to mesh both wire ends in the crimp. This can sometimes be awkward. Just be patient. Okay, now it's time to crimp. Clamp down very firmly. This came out really well. Now for both ends. Okay, perfect. Crimping is completed. And now it's time to insulate. This is perfect. Last of all, this is how we test the work.